Hey, what's going on everyone? So in this video I'm gonna talking about Samsung M31S. I'll be covering all the details like expected launch date and specification of this device. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Samsung Galaxy M31S may be unveiled in India this month before it goes on sale in August as per a new report. The Galaxy M31s will be the follow-up to the Samsung Galaxy M31 that was unveiled earlier this year in February. Till now, the Galaxy M31s has popped up on a few certification websites that have hinted a couple of specifications, but for the most part, the phone has been kept under the wraps. Earlier in May, it was reported that Samsung does not plan on launching the Galaxy M31s in June or July and that it will come to the market later this year. Now let's talk about its launch and price in India. As per a report by IANS citing people familiar with the matter, the Samsung Galaxy M31s will be unveiled in India later this month and will go on sale in August via Amazon, along with Samsung's other retail platforms. It is said to be priced around 20,000 rupees. As of now, Samsung has not shared any information on the Galaxy M31s, and notably it was reported back in May that Samsung will not be launching the Galaxy M31s in India anytime soon and that a June or July launch will not be a possibility. Now let's talk about its rumoured specifications. Samsung Galaxy M31s has been spotted on multiple certification websites hinting at some of the specifications that can be expected from the phone. The phone is said to carry the model number SM M317F, which was spotted on Geekbench. The Geekbench listing hinted at the presence of the octa-core Exynos 9611 SoC and 6GB of RAM. The phone will come with a 6000 mAh battery which was then reportedly certified by Safety Korea. It may come with 120GB of storage, have an AMOLED screen and a quad rear camera setup that includes a 64 megapixel primary sensor. For now we have to wait for some concrete evidence on the actual launch date. That's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.